Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished past papers of differentiation. Today we are going to start past papers of new topic, that is factor and remainder theorem. This is chapter number 4 from your course book. So if you want to get good command on this topic, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder name is ADMath. Watch all lectures and do all exercises from your course book, then you will have good command. So let's start past papers of the topic factor and remainder theorem. Question number 1. The expression 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 30 is divisible by x plus 2 and leaves a remainder of minus 35 when divided by 2x minus 1. Find the values of the constants a and b. 5 marks question, came in May June 2012, paper 1-1 and 1-3. Let's start. So the expression is 2x cube plus ax square plus bx negative 30. Now according to question, this expression is divisible by x plus 2. So x plus 2 equals to 0, x is equals to negative 2. So put x is equals to negative 2 in the given expression. So negative 2 cube plus a negative 2 square plus b negative 2 negative 30. This must be equals to 0 because the first part of the question says the expression is divisible by. If you see the word divisible by or if you see the word factor, so it means the remainder is 0. So that's why I put it 0 on right hand side. Simplify this equation. Minus 2 cube 8, 8 to the minus 16 plus minus 2 square 4, 4 into a is 4a minus 2b negative 30 is equals to 0, 4a negative 2b negative 46 is equals to 0. Simplify this equation in simplest form. Divide the whole equation by 2. You will get 4 upon 2 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1 and 46 upon 2 is 23 is equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Now look at the second part of the question. This expression is leaves a remainder of remainder r is minus 35 when it is divided by 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 1 upon 2. So put x is equals to 1 upon 2 in the given expression. So 2 into x cube means 1 upon 2 cube plus a into 1 upon 2 square plus b into 1 upon 2 negative 30. This time we don't put 0. The remainder when divided by 1 upon 2 is minus 35. Okay, I hope you understand. Simplify it. 2 into 1 upon 2 cube is 1 upon 8. A into 1 upon 2 square is 4. b into 1 upon 2 negative 30, and this negative 35 on this side, it is equal to 35 is equals to 0. So 2 4 is 8, 1 upon 4 plus a into 1 upon 4 plus b into 1 upon 2. 35 minus 30 is 5 equals to 0. Taking the LCM 4 throughout the expression, it is 1, it is a, it is 2b, and 4 5s are 20 is equals to 0. So a plus 2b, 20 plus 1 is 21, and 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. This is equation number 2. And what is your equation number 1? It's 2a negative b negative 23 is equals to 0. You have already obtained this equation number 1. Now solve these two equations simultaneously. You can apply any method by applying substitution method or elimination method. So I always prefer elimination method. Multiply this whole equation by 2. So it is 2a 4b 42 is equals to 0. 2a negative b negative 23 is equals to 0. Subtract these two equations. This is negative, this should be positive, this should be positive. 2 by 2 cancel. 4b minus b is 5b, and 2 plus 3 is 5, and 4 plus 2 is 6 is equals to 0. 5b is equals to negative 65, and b is equals to negative 65 upon 5 is negative 13. So we have achieved the first target, that is the value of constant b minus 13. Put this value of constant b in any one of the equation number 1 or 2. I am putting in equation number 1. 2a negative b, b is negative 13, so positive 13. 23 is equals to 0. 2a minus 23 minus 13 is minus 10 is equals to 0. 2a is equals to 10, and a is equals to 5. Hence the values of constant is a is 5 and b is negative 13. This is your final answer of question number 1. So hope you understand all steps of this question. A is 5, b is minus 13. So if you do these kinds of question in your final exam, you will get full marks. Next, question number 2. A function f is such that fx is equals to 4x cube plus 4x square plus ax plus b. It is given that 2x minus 1 is a factor of both fx and f dash x. Show that b equals to 2 and find the value of a. Very easy question. So given expression is fx is equals to 4x cube plus 4x square plus ax plus b. It is given that 2x minus 1 is a factor. So x is equals to 1 upon 2. Now put 4 into 1 upon 2 cube plus 4 into 1 upon 2 square plus a into 1 upon 2 plus b. This should be equals to 0, because when something is a factor, it means the remainder is always equals to 0. Simplify it. 4 into 1 upon 2 cube is 1 upon 8. 4 into 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4. A into 1 upon 2 plus b is equals to 0. So 4 to the 8, 1 upon 2 plus 4 cancel by 4 is 1 plus a into 1 upon 2 plus b is equals to 0. Taking 2 is the LCM, so 1 plus 2 plus a plus 2b is equals to 0, or a plus 2b plus 3 is equals to 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. This is equation number 1. A plus 2b plus 3 is equals to 0. Now look at again this expression. It is given that 2x minus 1 is a factor of both fx and f dash x. So what is f dash x? Means the derivative of the function f dash x. Derivative of 4x cube is 12 x square. Derivative of 4x square is 8x. Derivative of ax is a, and derivative of constant b is 0. The factor is same, that is x is equals to 1 upon 2. So 12 into 1 upon 2 square, 8 into 1 upon 2 plus a, this should be equals to 0. 12 into 1 upon 4, 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 plus 3 7, and 7 on other side is minus 7. So a is minus 7. Put the value of a in anyone in equation number 1 only, because we have only one equation, because from the other side, from the derivative side, we get the value of a directly, so no need to make simultaneous equations. So equation number 1 is a plus 2b plus 3 is equals to 0. A is negative 7 plus 2b plus 3 is equals to 0. 2b negative 4 is equals to 0, and b is equals to 2. So this is the requirement of the question. Show that the value of b is 2. We have achieved the target. You can see. Show that b is 2 and find the value of a. So b is 2 and the value of a is negative 7. Using the values of a and b from part 1. So first we have to write part 2. We have to write expression 4x cube plus 4x square plus ax plus b. So using the values of a and b means put the values of a and b in the given expression. Ax negative 7x and plus b is 2. Now what is the question? See again. Using the values of a and b from part 1, find the remainder when fx is divided by x plus 3. So x plus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to negative 3. So 4 negative 3 cube plus 4 negative 3 square minus 7 negative 3 plus 2. After simplifying the whole expression, you will get the value of remainder is negative 94. Okay, so you must check your answer that I left this work for you. You can easily simplify 4 into minus 3 cube plus 4 into minus 3 square minus 7 into minus 3 plus 2. So this is the answer of part 2. R is equals to minus 94. Move to part 3. Express fx in the form of 2x minus 1 px square plus qx plus r. Very easy. What is fx? 4x cube 4x square plus ax plus b is equals to, what was your factor? Is 2x minus 1. So first write 2x minus 1. Sorry, one thing I forgot. Ax minus 7x, we have to write the value of a and b over here, is equals to, what was our factor? Two x minus 1. So write 2x minus 1 multiply by, what should be the first term, so that when we multiply it by 2x we will get 4x cube, obviously 2x square, and write plus bx. B is the constant, and what should be put over here, so that we, when we multiply minus 1 we will get plus 2, obviously negative 2. Okay, obviously negative 2. So this is the answer of part 3. This is the requirement. You can see the requirement again. Write down 2x minus 1 px square plus qx plus r, where p, q and r are integers to be found. Part 4, find the values of x for which fx is equals to 0. Very easy. This is part 4. So you need to find the value of b only. So write, multiply 2x by bx, you will get 2bx square, and negative 1 by 2x square, negative 2x square. This is the way to solve the cubical equation. Okay, so if you compare, on left hand side there is a x squared term, that is 4x squared. Taking x square is common, 2b minus 2 is equals to 4x square. Compare the coefficient of x square on both sides, you will get 2b minus 2 is equals to 4, 2b is equals to 6, and b is equals to 3. So we have achieved the value of b. So again, 2x minus 1, 2x square plus bx, b we have find 3x, negative 2 is equals to 0. So 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So 2 to the 4, 4 1 the 4, 4 minus 1 3. Apply the middle term method. 4x minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. 2x, x plus 2, negative 1, x plus 2 is equals to 0, x plus 2 and 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. And third factor is from here the value of x is 1 upon 2, and finally from here x is equals to negative 2 and x is equals to half. So we have three values: x is equals to negative 2, half and half, repeated values. This is the final answer. So this part has 8, this question has 8 marks, lengthy question. So hope you enjoy today's class where we did 2 questions. Sorry, 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 plus 2 11. 11 marks question. This is very very important. 11 marks can give you A star, and not 11 marks you can say if you are failed to do this question, you can go to grade C grade. So this is very important topic. I promise I will do so many questions of this topic. Today we just did 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 2. How many questions are left? 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 questions in this topic. We will do each and every question. These are paper 1, and after this we will do paper 2 factor theorem and remainder theorem. So students, if you like my videos, my lectures, I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my lectures you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.